Hello guys, welcome channel today, Ethan's Little World. Today I'm going to show you my Roblox in Brookhaven. So this is a nice day in Brookhaven. So let me park this car. Today I'm a towing company, so let me do this. It's not connected. Whoa! Ah! Put it there. I'm a towing company right now, so that car is in the auto shop. Let's catch some cars for towing if they're just stuck. I'm turning. I have my Bloxy drink. That's the energy. Wait, why is this kid? Oh no! Help! No! I'm a motorcycle, so wait, that looks like Chucky. Chuck. Why is that kid now? No, he's catching up to me. I need to go 55 miles. Going 55 miles. 5 miles per hour? No, 55. Go faster! No, don't catch up to me. I'm going so fast. You can't catch up to me. There we go. I catch the car that it's not a good parking, so I'm towing it. I'm towing it because that's a bad parking. If it's locked, it's unlocked. So let me put it right here. In Brookhaven. That's not good parking. Okay, so I am gonna tow this car. Get my Bloxy gun.
Hello?
That's not good parking either. No talking. No talking. That's not good parking either, so I'm towing that car too. So I'm driving to auto shop. So let me eat. I'm eating while I'm driving, so I'm okay. Now I'm delivering. Boop. Okay. I can't sit in the car. Oh. Put it right near. Okay, so I'm gonna. Someone despawned their car, so. Gonna release it and woo! I need to move it to the front, so move it to the front. Move it. Move it to the back a little. Okay, not a little, but okay, I'm towing company, so I have to tow. I'm going to the speed limit, 35 miles, 35. I'm going to go so fast because I don't have any time, because my boss said you don't have any time, go faster. So I'm going. Oh no. Wait, what? Okay, I towed. Okay, let me get the club. Let me go in the cemetery. So I'm going to here. And run away, run away, run away, run. That white thing looks suspicious. I mean that brown thing. My look was white thing. I'm going to turn. I'm eating cereal while I'm playing, but that parking looks good to my. That parking looks good. Whoa! I can't get up here. When it gets to garbage day, I will do my job. I'm doing a tow truck, so. I'm gonna turn left. Boom. That car is still there. My next job will be the garbage day. So I'm not this. Spawn in okay, this is a garbage vehicle. I'm gonna, this looks like, press this hand and it will like do that. So I'm looking for garbage. No garbage. That's elevators. What the hell is that? I'm the girl. No. Okay, I'm overtaking this lady. Okay. No garbage. If I see garbage day. I'm going town of Brookhaven. Going on a couch.